Good day, all pet matters. Today we are going to time how long will it take for our puppies to consume their foods. There are now only 4 puppies. Before there are 8 puppies in a litter. But we donate the 4 puppies and we are still waiting for the other 4 puppies to be adopted by their new pet owners. We have 2 female and 2 male puppies remaining. They are almost done eating and they are just cleaning up their plate, and they are beginning to drink water. So it takes about 3 minutes for them to consume their food. They are cleaning the plate, the bowl, and some of them drank water already. Please like, share, and subscribe and leave a comment. Thank you very much for watching, and I see you again on our next video. Bye bye.